Well, hello, class. Today we're going to be going over how to submit case studies in your diet assignment. These are important assignments, so I want to make sure that everyone's on the same page on where to go. There's on to the left side of your tab, there's coursework above discussions, and it gives you modules 1 through 7, and each one has an outline detail full of PowerPoints and study guides you can use for each module. We just got this updated and revised, so I apologize for the wait. But hey, don't worry about the module survey. It is optional. I've had several students email me about that. It's data that we could use for the program, but again, it's optional. So there's questions for instructors, and here's our first case study in Module 3. This will be due September 17th, and there's some guidelines you can download, and here's the case study with the questions and the details you need to know and where to go in your textbook. So I'm glad that a lot of you have purchased the material to use, and I checked the pages, and it's exactly where you need to go in your textbook. And you would just answer the questions as you go. You don't need to have any APA format to answer everything. I don't care about that. Just for discussions, I like APA citation. And here is where you upload. You go to Browse My Computer, and you have it saved in a file on that separate paper that we downloaded through Word, and then you just upload it and you submit it. You can even save as a draft if you want to do any edits later. But if you submit it, I'll see it. And if you guys want to redo it, just submit another one to me. I'll see it. I'll take the most dated submission. Here we have the PowerPoints. This will help you with your exams and your quizzes. And here we have the study guide for Module 3. This will help you prepare for the exam. It has exact questions you need to go over that you will see in your exam. Here we have the diet assignment, and this is in Module 5. This is due October 15th. So you have plenty of time on this, but there is a little bit of extra work you need to do with it. So you're going to log in, and there's going to be right here with diet assignment example. It's just giving you an outline of what you need to look for and what I expect for an excellent diet assignment. There's going to be journal. There's going to be a page of how you analyze all your nutrients, and you can use MyFitnessPal for that, and you can use anything as long as I see a nutrition journal, a food diary of your 3-day diet assignment. And here is just an example of a nutrition report. There's many styles. I will say that MyFitnessPal is the easiest to use, and you can literally print it off a laptop or a desktop computer and then submit it through an email to me. And here you have your diet analysis once you're done with your diet assignment, your 3-day diet assignment. And just, again, go over the instructions, do what you need to. And here is where you submit everything for your diet assignment. Again, I would make a new folder in your shared files and then just put everything in there. That makes it easier, and save everything. Save everything for that. So you always have extra copies, and because, again, Blackboard's kind of, we want to make sure we have everything we need. And here, again, just submit, and to the left you see all the different tabs for Module 5. And I'm going over to a sodium chart. With every module, there's different educations with it. And this is an excellent, it's like a picto chart, I believe. I forget the name of it, but it just talks about sodium and things you might want to include in your diet assessment, your diet assignment, I should say. It's just good information to know. And here is another one about different tips. You're going to see this throughout all of your modules, like tip of the day, educations, things that would also help and will be on quizzes and exams too. Once a module ends, a new one begins, and those exams for that particular module will be available once that module is open according to our course outline. So keep that in mind as you go throughout this course. So go ahead and do all the assignments. You can take care of that. Those are available. And good luck, guys. And email me about any questions or concerns you have about this course. Y'all doing great. Bye.